Hello and welcome to Biology. Today we are going to explore one of the most fundamental concepts in biology, the cell. Cells are often called the building blocks of life, but what does that really mean? Let's find out. A cell is the smallest unit of life that can carry out all the processes necessary to stay alive. Think of it as a tiny, self-contained factory. It takes in nutrients, produces energy, and responds to its environment. Everything you see around you that's living, from the tiniest bacteria to the largest whales, is made of cells. The term cell was first used by Robert Hooke in 1665 when he looked at cork under a microscope. Since then, scientists have discovered that cells are everywhere and that they come in many different shapes and sizes. This discovery changed science forever and led to what we now call cell theory. Cell theory has three main ideas. 1. All living things are made of one or more cells. 2. The cell is the basic unit of structure and function in living organisms. 3. All cells come from pre-existing cells. These principles form the foundation of modern biology. There are two major types of cells, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Prokaryotic cells, like bacteria, are simpler and have no nucleus. Eukaryotic cells, like those in plants and animals, are more complex and have a nucleus and organelles. Despite these differences, both types perform the same essential functions of life. Understanding cells helps us understand health and disease. For example, when we study how cells divide, we learn how cancer develops. When we understand how cells respond to viruses, we can design better vaccines. Cells are not just abstract concepts, they're the key to understanding all living systems. So, what is a cell? It's the basic, microscopic unit that makes life possible. By studying cells, we unlock the secrets of biology itself. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Biology for more quick lessons in biology.